What's up, everybody? So I know I haven't made a video for a minute now, but I have another video coming. I actually got like halfway done with it and then decided to go on and catch you guys up real quick. I'm still going to include a bunch of clips in that video. I'm not going to go back and redo it. A bunch of clips of like putting the suspension together and stuff like that. But pretty much I'm going to go on and upload this video right now and then try to get the other one up as quick as I can. Get you guys caught up on where the truck's at, if you don't follow me on Instagram. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. It's not gonna be anything special because I'm literally just a quick upload, throwing it together, uploading it, and then continue finishing this other video that's really gonna have some good footage in it. Well, I say good footage, the quality might not be like spot on because I haven't been making many videos, so a lot of it's just been like phone recorded or like videos off of Snapchat and stuff. Do you have anything you want to say to the channel?
It's a little dark. Can't really see me. You need that flash on. Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Houston checking in. Y'all be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Bang shot out.
Those people in that car were like, oh, oh! You hear that ball joint, boy?
Oh, we're taking the axles. Hey.
Right.
This is Zach. You guys will probably see him on the channel.
On the channel?
On the old channel. We're taking the axles finally to Cersei to get them reassembled. So I don't know how long that's going to take, but hopefully it won't take long. And then, as you can tell, if you can't close the tailgate, you do that Cali lean, boy.
4 times.
4 times.
Big 4 times.
No cat. Oh, that bed tooted. That bed tooted up. Well, I finally got my PMF buckets in. These are the coilover buckets. A little bit different than my regular buckets that I have already. So I got the buckets, and then I got this cross member that actually bolts to the frame and to the buckets right there on both sides. I got my bottom coilover mounts, shock tangs. Those tangs bolt up right here. I'm actually ordering my Striker coilovers today. William over there at Striker just got back with me, so I'm gonna go on and put in for the coilovers. Those are gonna actually be powder coated in-house, so I don't have to worry about powder coating those. Whenever those come in, I can just bolt them right up. So hopefully it'll work out that way. This stuff is done in powder coat, and when I get my coilovers, shoot, this is all gonna be ready to go together. I got the motor hooked up. I still got to put my battery boxes in, but I heard a leaf fall. I don't know where it's at. Maybe it just fell right there, hopefully. But yeah, everything's all good and hooked up. I just got to put my battery boxes in, pretty much. So it's looking good and looking clean. I don't know if you can catch that sparkle, but yee. Alright guys, so I need a shop bad. It is freezing balls out here, isn't it, Davis? Davis. Isn't it, buddy? Anyways, so you may have noticed at the beginning of this video, I was actually bolting up the regular coil buckets, the regular PMF coil spring buckets, the OEM replacement. And that's because I was going to use those because then I could run coilovers or I could run the regular coil springs. But now, since I'm doing a high steer, I actually end up needing the actual PMF coilover buckets. So I'm just going to show you guys. I already got the other side mounted up. Come on, Davis. If I had a shop, he would be my shop dog. So anyways, as you can see, this one's all good and mounted up. This right here, I had to trim this rivet. As you can see, I cut almost half of it off. All right, guys, so now I got the driver's side coilover bucket up here. As you can see, I cleared that perfectly as far as cutting some of that rivet off. Got that done. I'm gonna unbox the striker coilovers that I just got, and I'll also give you an update on the truck and everything, and show you guys everything that, or where the truck's sitting right now. But anyways, I just got back from this SAW course, so my stuff is literally everywhere. So I'm unpacking all this junk, and then I'm gonna unpack those coilovers and show you guys that. I just went to SAW. It's a small arms weapons expert course. You got the M16, the 320 grenade launcher, the 249 SAW, the M250 cal, the M17 pistol, the M4 carbine. Then you got the 240 Bravo and the Mark 19 grenade machine gun. Freaking badass course. I loved every bit of it. Like, who wouldn't want to get paid shooting guns? So, awesome course. So now, let's get them coilovers unwrapped. These things are flawless. They look sick. The packaging was great, and I believe they actually sent me 2 extra of these, so that's cool. Man, these things are sick. Look at that sparkle. It's that candy red over heavy silver. Just beautiful. These things are freaking huge. These things are huge. It literally comes up to my hip. That's insane. Alright guys, so I got the coilover buckets in, and I just put this up here just to check it out, and it looks insane. Oh, I got my PMF cross member on as well, right here. This actually brings my track bar back from here to over here in line with the axle, because I'm gonna be running a high steer. I got the front axle there. They're all still wrapped from whenever they went and got reassembled, but I'm gonna bring them out here and put them on some jack stands and go on and get started on reassembling that stuff. Got my bumper on, as you can tell, front bumper. Headlights are on. I got my bed all adjusted. It was way out on this side and in on the other side. Got my tailgate on and got my bumper on. All right, so here's the status on the truck. I got the 2 lower front link bars on, front 4 link bars on. Can't talk right now. I got the 2 traction bars on. I got my 4-inch leaf springs, 4-inch lift leaf pack. It's still at powder, so that's literally all I'm waiting on is that leaf pack. Once those get from powder, I'll reassemble those, throw those in, the rear will be done. I got some stuff that I gotta send to Speed Sport Chrome. I'm actually gonna see them guys this weekend at LST. So yeah, I got some stuff to send them, and then I'll have some more stuff to send to them whenever Dalton Lovejoy at Dude's Fab Shop. I got to get a measurement for my drag link and my track bar, get those to him, as well as my rear frame face plates, and have him whip all that up for me and get sent to me, and I'll send that stuff to Chrome Plating. And then yeah, I got to get this thing ready before Daytona. Then the last thing will be my wheels. Until then, it'll be run on these little 32s. What's up, everybody? So I'm finally back from my 3-week ALC course, and today is my first day back home. Well, second day back home. I got home yesterday, so finally finished that up. Graduated yesterday, got home yesterday, and today obviously getting started back on the truck. I got everything back from powder coat. So I just threw all the leaf springs back together. I didn't get a video of that just because I don't know, I wasn't really feeling it. So threw that back together, and everything's still not tightened up yet besides this bolt right here. But as far as mounting the leaves, everything's still loose. I'm just kind of getting everything mocked up right now. So I figured I'd just make it maybe a little time lapse or something. I'm pretty excited because I'm finally gonna get to throw some chrome on the truck that I'll show you here. The Speed Sport chrome plating. Finally getting to throw some chrome on, so I'm pretty excited. I have like some overlays and stuff to throw on, but that'll be later. All right. So I got all of this mounted up. These things are pretty dang long, but I might go up another 2 inches later on in life, so that'll leave me room for that. PMF didn't send me the bolts for those, so I'm gonna have to run and get those 2 bolts, but those are ready to mount up. It's sitting on its own weight now, on these 2 little jack stands. I got the 2 big stands right here pulled out that was under there. So it's sitting on its own weight. Everything's all good and tightened up. I still gotta tighten these up on both sides, but anyways, yeah. Drive shaft angles look like they should be pretty good. I think this is the 5 degree, I think. Shoot, I can't remember. The 5 degree taper, I think, is what it is. And then you got this little thing that came with it. These things freaking sucked getting in there. I got a couple small chips, but oh well, it is what it is. I've now moved to the front. I've got both buckets bolted up, as well as this lower cross member right here. Nothing's bolted down here. I just threw those
on the axle like that. But I'm about to go get my coilovers and hang my coilovers, and then go on and pick the axle up and hang the axle on the coilovers, and then that's whenever I'll adjust those. I'll take those down from the axle and adjust those. But yeah, there we go. Freaking my powder coater, I guess, didn't really plug these holes too good for this. Either that or this thing's just not really in line. This freaking bolt sucks getting in and out. So now I'm gonna go get my coilovers and hang those. Alright, so as you can see, I got the 4-link bars taken down and it's hanging straight now. I'm gonna bolt the coilovers up, I mean they're already bolted up, but I'm gonna tighten them down. Tighten this down, and I'm gonna tighten this down right here, and then I'm also gonna go on and go get my PMF mount on clamps right here, and I'm gonna go on and mount those and go on and clamp this up here like that, so it'll be up and out of the way. Man, it is about to storm on me. Just a little bit of time. Now that I'm back from ALC, before I leave to, I gotta leave to South Carolina for 2 weeks in April for a Raven school. So yeah, between now and then, hopefully I can get the front end done and the back done, and at least have this thing sitting on the ground. Well, that's all I'm doing today. Slowly but surely.